Friends, can you answer this interesting question that most of the people do not know? The question is, which is the hardest part of the human body? So, what is the hardest part of the human body? So, do you know the answer? Let's look at the options. Is it tooth enamel, or femur, or temporal bone of skull, or knee bone? The correct answer of this question, the hardest part of the human body is tooth enamel. Friends, the tooth enamel is the hardest and mostly highly mineralized substance in the human body. Okay, guys, let me tell you, it's a tissue and not a bone. Okay, this tissue has a high mineral content, which makes it so hardest in the human body. Right? So we came to know that the hardest part of the human body is tooth enamel. Friends, the next question is very interesting. Can you try to answer? Let's see. Which is only movable bone in the skull? So in our skull, which is the movable bone, the bone which frequently moves or starts, can be moved? Okay. Your answers are occipital bone, frontal bone, mandible, or temporal bone. So, can you tell me which is the movable bone in our skull? The answer is, the only movable bone in the skull is mandible. Friends, in our skull there are like occipital bone, frontal bone, temporal bone, and parietal bone. Among these all, the movable bone is the mandible. The other name of mandible is jawbone. Okay, the jawbone is known as a mandible bone. It's only one thing that moves in our skull. Okay, let's see whether you can answer the next interesting question. The question is, how many ribs present in the human body? So, can you tell like total ribs present in the human body? Your answers are 50, 24, 30, and 12. Friends, the correct answer, do you know? If not, let's see here. The total ribs which are present in the human body are 24. Friends, in the humans, there are normally 12 pairs of ribs. Okay, the first 7 pairs. Okay, there are actually 12 pairs of ribs. The first 7 pairs are attached directly to the sternum by the costal cartilages, and they are called as true ribs. Okay, the 8th, 9th, and the 10th pairs are known as false ribs because they do not join the sternum. Right? So the total ribs present in the human body are 24.